Dictionary in Python. Dictionary in Python. Python dictionaries are collection, and it's similar to lists which allow us to connect pieces of related information so we can access this information inside the dictionaries and change the information. Note: Python dictionaries are written with curly brackets, such as this form, dic equals curly brackets. Let's see how. To do dictionaries in Python, first go to brackets and create any variable name such as dic and curly brackets. Inside these curly brackets, we can create keys and you can connect them to values. So now we will create keys with its values. Type quotation marks and type any key name you like, such as Toyota, quotation marks, value name such as Camry, comma, another key, quotation marks, cylinder, quotation marks, value name V6. Then if you want to print your dictionary, type print dic square brackets, quotation marks, and put your first key such as Toyota. Do the same thing with cylinder key. After that, try that on terminal. As you can see here, terminal printed keys values. Try to make your own dictionary now. Thank you for watching.